As an accounting software expert, I often encounter small business owners and freelancers grappling with the intricate dance of managing their finances. One of the most common and crucial aspects of this is expense tracking. Knowing where your money goes is not just about curiosity. It's fundamental for tax preparation, budgeting, and understanding your true profitability. This leads many to ask, does FreshBooks track expenses? The answer is a definitive and enthusiastic yes. FreshBooks is renowned for its user-friendly approach to accounting, and its expense tracking capabilities are a prime example of the simplicity combined with powerful functionality. For businesses of all sizes, especially service-based businesses, freelancers, and solopreneurs, FreshBooks offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to make expense management as painless as possible. Let's break down how FreshBooks helps you keep a tight grip on your spending. 1. Automated import from bank accounts and credit cards. One of the most significant time savers in FreshBooks expense tracking is its ability to connect directly to your bank accounts and credit cards. Once linked, FreshBooks automatically imports your transactions daily. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, drastically reducing the risk of errors and ensuring your financial records are always up to date. As an accounting professional, I can tell you that this automation is a game changer for maintaining accurate books with minimal effort. You'll see your spending categorized and ready for review almost instantly. 2. Seamless receipt capture. Gone are the days of shoeboxes overflowing with crumpled receipts. FreshBooks offers multiple ways to capture and store your receipts digitally. Mobile app scanning. With the FreshBooks mobile app, available on iOS and Android, you can simply snap a picture of a paper receipt. The app's intelligent scanning technology will automatically extract key information like the merchant, total amount, and taxes, and create an expense entry. This is incredibly convenient for tracking expenses on the go, whether you're at a client lunch or picking up supplies. Emailing receipts. FreshBooks provides a unique email address to which you can forward digital receipts. This is perfect for online purchases or subscriptions where you receive an email receipt. Manual upload. You can also upload digital receipts directly from your computer if you have them saved. These methods ensure that you never lose a receipt and have a digital record readily available, which is invaluable during tax time or for auditing purposes. 3. Smart categorization for tax time. FreshBooks comes with a range of preset expense categories, such as office supplies, meals and entertainment, travel, and advertising. These categories are designed with tax deductions in mind, making it easier for you or your accountant to identify eligible write-offs. What's more, FreshBooks often suggests categories based on your past entries and bank statements, further streamlining the process. You can also create your own custom categories and subcategories to perfectly align with your business's unique spending patterns. This granular categorization helps you understand precisely where your money is going and prepares you for a smooth tax season. 4. Mileage tracking. For businesses with significant travel, FreshBooks offers an integrated mileage tracking feature within its mobile app. This allows you to automatically log your business trips, either by using your phone's GPS to track your drives or by manually entering trip details. This is especially useful for freelancers, consultants, or anyone who frequently travels for work, as mileage is a common tax deduction. 5. Rebillable expenses for clients. A standout feature for service-based businesses is the ability to mark expenses as billable to a client. If you incur costs on behalf of a client, perhaps for materials, software subscriptions specific to their project, or travel, FreshBooks allows you to easily assign these expenses to a particular client or project. You can even add a markup if desired. Then, with a few clicks, these billable expenses can be automatically pulled onto an invoice, ensuring you recoup all your costs and maintain accurate project profitability. This eliminates the headache of manually tracking and adding expenses to invoices. 6. Comprehensive expense reporting. Beyond just recording expenses, FreshBooks provides insightful reports that give you a clear overview of your spending. You can generate expense reports. These detailed reports break down all your expenses by category, merchant, date, and other filters. This helps you analyze your spending habits, Identify areas where you might be overspending and track against budgets. Profit and loss reports. By combining your income and expenses, FreshBooks generates profit and loss statements, giving you a snapshot of your business's financial health. Tax summaries. These reports organize your income and expenses in a tax-friendly format, making tax preparation much simpler. These reports are crucial for informed decision-making and strategic financial planning. 7. Recurring expenses. Many businesses have expenses that occur regularly, such as rent, software subscriptions, or utility bills. FreshBooks allows you to set up recurring expenses, so they are automatically recorded at your chosen frequency, weekly, monthly, yearly, etc. This saves you time and ensures that no recurring cost is ever missed, providing a complete financial picture.